Do I have to prefer a financial advisor? Can financial advisor make a difference in my investments? We have our financial expert Manish with us to help you deal with these investment challenges. Manish, the stage is all yours.
Let's say if we have a headache, or let's say if we are going through a fever, high fever, the first thing is that we go rush to a doctor and get us checked, and then only we take a medicine. Even if it's a normal fever, still we will go to a doctor and take a prescription and then go to a medical advisor or medical shop. The main reason is that you know that a person who is expert in a particular profession, he can look at your health and prescribe you the right medicine. You cannot take a call. Similarly, when it comes to your wealth creation journey, where you have to create wealth, a financial advisor can look at your overall health. What I mean by health is that total your assets, your liabilities, where all you have invested, he can analyze that whole piece, and based on your risk appetite can tell you that okay, you should be this much percentage invested in equity, you should be this much percentage invested in bonds, you should this much should be invested in emergency fund, etc., etc. So he's like a doctor, and the only difference is he's a financial doctor who will prescribe you that this much should be allocated, and you should be looking at these horizons, this much time to stay invested for having a good wealth creation journey or experience. So this is extremely important aspect. A good financial advisor will help you to have a good wealth creation journey.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.